All right, number 5 says, the graph below shows the relationship between the number of hours and the number of miles jogged. Based on the information in the graph, what is the unit rate in miles per hour? Okay, so we're looking for unit rate. That's telling me I need to find slope. And it says graph, so I know that my slope is going to be in the form of rise over run. Okay, all right. This is a proportionate graph, and they already give you pretty points, okay? Because it's proportionate, you could just do a y divided by x, but we're going to continue this thought of the change in our y over the change in our x, okay? And we're going to find how many miles he went in 1 hour. All right, so rise over run. All right, we rose, in this case we went up, so it's positive for our rise. We went from 0 up to 8, okay? So we rose 8 spaces over run. All right, if we go across, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, but if you look from this x to our second point's x, it's not counting by 1 every space, okay? If you're going to count your jumps, you'll have to say from here to here is 0.5, okay? And then we get to 1, and then 1.5, and then 2, okay? So you could also say from this x to this x, from 0 to 2.5, okay, I moved half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, okay? Our run over was 2.5, all right? And if we go type that in, we have 8 divided by 0.5, gives us 3.2. All right, so I'm going to be looking for an answer choice that's 3.2 miles per hour. All right. If you look at the bottom, we have 4, 3.2, which is exactly what we got, and then some other numbers. And I'm going to check just to make sure it's reasonable. Okay. If we're saying he went 3.2 in 1 hour, I'm going to come find 1 hour and go up and say, does it hit at about 3.2? Yeah, that's definitely reasonable, okay? So this one would have been B, all right? On your practice problem, find the slope of your graph using rise over run, divide it, okay? And make sure that it's reasonable.